The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Bandera County, west central Bexar County, northeastern Medina County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Bandera Falls, or 7 miles southeast of Bandera, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Lake Hills, Mito, Cliff, Rio Medina, Helix and SeaWorld. In addition to the tornado, golf ball-size gale, and destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday evening for South Central Texas.